So we're back on the journey. Yesterday we were looking for the waterway that we could see from our hotel room. We found out we were in the wrong direction. I don't know how we got turned around like that. But actually the 5 miles we walked to, we got lost. What we were trying to get to is actually 10 minutes the opposite direction from the hotel in walking distance. So we were way off. So we are almost there. And I will show you all what it looks like. Something about, I see the bridge over there. Yeah, he said you're gonna see the bridge. You got a little baseball field, baseball right there. The beautiful trees. Ooh, that is beautiful. It's pretty. What, down here? You got to, oh, maybe he said we got to go on the bridge, maybe? Let's go over here and see. So to go over there, we got to cross this bridge. Oh yeah, it's hot out here. Should have brought my umbrella. What you all see up ahead is what we can see from our hotel room. And we finally, we're going in the right direction. It only really took 10 minutes. And it is beautiful. That's where we were on that side. Now, crossing the bridge, we are on the park and water side. I think there's another bridge we cross in order to get to the water side. It's really pretty. So this all I want to do is see some more. She got a nice little bike path. Where's the sign at? Yeah, where's the sign? I want to ask somebody. I want to ask somebody with a sign. Y'all see that city scene over there? You see that city scene? Ain't that pretty? No, the city scene.
Oh.
Yeah, she said you keep going straight. It ain't too far. Let's do another, about 10 more minutes.
10.
Me and my bodyguards taking a stroll.
What?
I said me and my bodyguards taking a stroll. Do the other one. There you go. Got some basketball players at the street. Panama sign. Thank you, Lord. Lord pushed us a little bit further. Made it to the Panama sign. We're at the Cinta Costera. I hope I'm pronouncing that right. If I don't, forgive me. We finally made it to the Panama sign. We made it. Panama is really beautiful. Again, like this is the Cinta Costera area.